Today I'm so excited to show you this new projector. We're gonna make an unbox. I take off this already, but comes with this projector screen. It's white and have here accessories for installation. Let's go. See, we open it. And comes with these adhesive accessories for your wall, and this is the screen. Have these holes here that you put in the hooks that came with the. And here we have our projector. So this is the cable or electric energy, the control, you can see it, and this is the HDMI auxiliary, and can see actually too. So, this is our projector. Look that color. Have this color and like wood, and it's small. It's practice. This is the buttons right here, and the projector. So let's go install our new projector on the screen, and let me show you how to use it. We install our screen and our projector, so let's go see how to use it. This is the projection. You can adjust the screen as you want it. We put the adhesive in the corners and the sides. You can adjust it too. And as you can see, this is the principal menu of our projector, and you can use the projector with USB and HDMI, AV, with Android, iOS, via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So let's go use it. We're gonna use this function, iOS AP mirroring. There are the instructions, and it's so easy. So let's go to the Wi-Fi in our cell phone. Let's go select our projector, and then let's go select our mirroring function. Select our projector, and ready. We are projecting our cell phone right there. We're gonna select Netflix. We can see a movie, or we can see YouTube or any other video. We're gonna reproduce this. So as you can see, the quality of the projection is perfect. And it's perfect. The quality of the sound and projection is incredible. And as you can see, you can use it with your cell phone. You can use it with the HDMI. You can use it with Bluetooth or USB. So it's so easy to install, so easy to use. It's beautiful. You can use it in any area of your home. So I highly recommend this projector. See you.